Hey, it's Shane from the urinal shop. Just been asked to come and service this urinal. It's been apparently consistently flushing, and it's got an IntelliFlush on it, which is set right. But what's happened is that the solenoid valve itself has carked it, which is not unusual for a couple of years. But as you can see, look what they've done. They've siliconed it into the side of the cistern. God, so silicon and lock nut. Oh, it just mind boggles. Anyway, stopcock's turned off. But check this out. They've had to put a stopcock, doesn't even work. It's just, what a cock up.